Whether you're aggregating coaching clips of a tennis training session while contemplating a drive to purchase tennis balls for tomorrow's game, or working on a batting in-swing approach technique before picking up your girlfriend from netball and going to the cinema, the latest generation of sports gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative sports gadgets which will not only create a double take, but go the distance. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Roland P20 HD brings professional replay capabilities to any video production setup. Offering seamless integration with most Roland AV switches and HDMI camcorders and cameras, the P20 HD transforms everyday sports video productions into edge-of-seat fan experiences. It records directly to high-capacity SD cards, which are widely available and easy to swap out. And as users queue up and replay clips, the game keeps recording in the background, with no gaps in the action. The SD card can also hold school logos, sponsor graphics as well as music clips, or voiceover files that can be recalled on cue to share a sponsor's message and add excitement to highlight reels. Customizable transitions can also be added to gameplay utilizing Roland's graphics presenter software. By connecting a compatible Wacom tablet, it is even possible to annotate footage with lines or a diagram to help analyze play and make commentary easier to understand. After recording, the Media Playlist Builder can be used to aggregate clips into curated pro videos ready for distribution and sharing on favorite platforms. The P20 HD is perfect for esports broadcasting and live streaming, whilst also giving coaches and trainers a powerful and efficient solution for building skills, analyzing plays, and developing strategy. The Form Smart Swim 2 are both a premium pair of goggles as well as a fully featured underwater fitness tracker backed by an excellent app and metrics-based platform. A heads-up display is beamed into the right goggle, allowing users to see metrics without having to glance down at a wearable strapped to their wrist. The goggles measure 9 basic metrics, which include distance, time, heart rate, stroke rate, pace, split times, stroke count, distance per stroke, and calories. The Form app is simple and easy to use with eye-pleasing color bars and visualizations to help swimmers understand what they are doing right and doing wrong. Users can set training goals and even sync the data with other services they may be using, such as Apple Health, Strava, or Training Peaks. A premium subscription provides a wide array of workouts as well as professional coaching to help swimmers improve in the pool or in open water. Coaching takes into account head pitch, peak head roll, time to neutral, interval pacing, and set pacing. There is also the inclusion of a compass, which allows users to swim in a straight line without sighting too regularly. With comprehensive metric support, third-party app integration, and professional coaching, the Form Smart Swim 2 makes for a convenient and insightful swimming aid. The Garmin Approach S70 is a premium GPS golf watch. It offers a range of features for golfers, including preloaded golf courses, a virtual caddy and green contour data, as well as health and fitness metrics. Available in 2 sizes, 1.65 inches and 1.85 inches, the AMOLED screen at a glance displays emails, text, calendar reminders, a full-blown weather forecast, and heart rate over the past 7 days. There are many options for customizing the look of the screen, including a dozen different watch face designs. All of the S70 bands are removable so that they can be swapped for a different option if preferred. The virtual caddy function provides real-time recommendations to improve play. It learns how far users typically hit each of their clubs as well as what parts of their game are strengths and weaknesses. Using this information, it recommends which club to hit and will intentionally tailor those recommendations to avoid putting players in problematic situations. The probability of making a certain score with alternate club selections is also provided. There are full color, full detail, interactive overhead maps of every hole, as well as available green contour heat maps. Plays-like yardages are provided that take into account distance, slope, elevation, wind, weather, and even air pressure. The Garmin Approach S70 makes for an outstanding golf watch. It is often difficult to communicate with a batsman from the other end of a running area. In the process, a batsman may pick up a wrong technique as he is unable to understand a coach's feedback at a 66-foot distance. The Leverage Yantra E3 is a cricket bowling machine which addresses this issue, featuring a 3-wheel design that can be controlled remotely via an Android or iOS app. The machine's sensor-driven wheels can replicate all variations a human bowler can bowl. There is also control over the bounce level, 3-dimensional variation, as well as gear-operated change in line and length. The device's remote operation removes the need for a coach to walk down to the batting crease to rectify the technique of a batsman. Furthermore, it allows a solo batsman to control their own practice sessions without leaving the batting area, allowing them to work on an array of techniques. From the crease, they can control differential bounce, simulation within the same reference surface, numerous variations in the swing and spin along with the regular in-swing and outswing. It can also create the specialty variations like in swing seam out and outswing seam in. The Leverage Yantra E3 provides a remarkable batting aid. The Shox Open Run are bone conduction headphones ideal for running, commuting by bike and rock climbing. When wearing the headphones, the earbud-shaped pieces rest on the cheekbones just in front of the ears. The off-ear design of the headphones keep users connected to their surrounding environment. There are just 3 buttons on the Open Run that control power: volume up, volume down, and multifunction commands. Phone calls are supported. Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity provides a 10-meter range, and Bluetooth multipoint allows for simultaneous connections to 2 source devices, making the headphones a fine option for productivity. Charging is achieved by attaching a proprietary magnetic cable to the 2-pin connector on the headset. A full cycle of charge is achieved after 90 minutes. An LED lights up when the headphones are charging to denote battery status. A red light means it's charging, and a blue light means it's fully charged. When the LED flashes at a 2-second interval, the battery is low. With an IP67 dust and water resistance rating, and 8 hours of music and calls on a complete charge, the Open Run headphones provide a compelling invitation for those rock climbing, running, and cycling. Comfortable off-ear design, Bluetooth connectivity, and phone call support make the Shox Open Run headphones a practical and safe alternative. So guys, if you are looking for a sports gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching.